deal? It's your boy Original back with another one for y'all. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We're going over Bankroll Flow. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy YON WORLD. Now, today on my channel, I want to give y'all an update on Bankroll Flow. I haven't been on my account in about 3 days. I let some of my interest stack up. And on this video, I want to give y'all my new strategy I'm doing moving forward with Bankroll Flow. As y'all know, I've been talking about this platform, this cryptocurrency platform on my channel. I've made a couple videos about it, but this is something I feel like everybody needs to pay attention to. Everybody needs to be a part of, because it's literally a crypto bank. When you deposit money into Bankroll Flow, into the ecosystem, right? How I understand it to work is you are supporting the banker farm. You are supporting the minting and mining of the BNKRX token, right? And for your deposit, you're paid out 1%, right? Now, the way the ecosystem is set up, the contract, this is a smart contract, so it'll never drain out. It'll always be minting and mining the BNKRX token and paying you out a reward for supporting the ecosystem, right? So as you can see right now, I have available $94, and with this $94 I can cash this out, right? I can cash it all the way out and back into my bank account, right? Or I can reinvest it into my principal deposit, which would increase my max payout. Now, over the next year, this smart contract is gonna pay me $12,000, right? If I do nothing, right? If I do nothing and I just never reinvest, never claim the money, right? And I just let this stack, it'll build up to $12,000 over the next 365 days. That's how the smart contract works, right? It pays you 1% over a year, right? When you deposit your funds, and that's 365% of your money. So right now you can see my total deposits is $3,000, right? $3,400, right? So with that, it pays me out $34 per day. 1% of $3,400 is $34. So it pays me out $34 per day. I haven't checked it in about 3 days, right? And this ticks up, depending on how much you have. Now, the price of Banker is so low right now. That's only like 27 cents, man. It's real cheap to get in here. Yeah, 28 cents right now. It's 28 cents per coin. It's very cheap to get in here. And like, say if you got in, right? If you got in at this price that the coin is right now, all you would need is $1,000 and you would have the same position as me. You would get the same amount of BNKRX tokens, $1,000. I got in when the price was real high. And if you get in when the price low, you can have the same amount of money coming in, just from $1,000, right now, because of the price of the coin is so cheap. Now, what I'm doing with my new strategy is with Banker, right, is I'm gonna let this stack for 30 days. Every month I'm gonna let it stack, and I'm gonna do daily updates just to show y'all, the available balance. Now, with this available balance, I could roll it or I could claim it. Now, when you roll, that means to reinvest it. That's reinvesting back into your principal deposit, and that will increase your max payout. If you claim it, that's cashing it out. You can cash it back out to BNKRX, and then you would sell it, to TRX, and then you can do the TRX to Bitcoin. You can swap it out. You can swap, TRX to Bitcoin. It's a lot of different ways you could do that. I'm gonna let this stack up. I'm gonna let this account stack, and I got my main account, right? I got another account, and on this account, I'm gonna just keep claiming the rewards. This is my team account, but see, $200, right? $286. That's like $1,000 in deposit right now, just based on the price, And on this account, You know, it's $1,000 in deposits. They're gonna pay out $3K. You know, but I can reinvest my rewards. See, I got rewards right here. You know, I got 94 BNKRX, and that's worth $27 right now. And I got rewards I can claim. So this is my team account, right? So shout out to everybody who on the team. You know, we got a big team. But yeah, that's my bankroll strategy. We're just gonna let it stack, right? We're gonna let it stack, and then we're gonna do big rolls. You know, we're gonna do big rolls or big claims, you know, at the end of 30 days. But I'm gonna keep y'all updated and continue making videos on bankroll. But this is the future right here. You know, you can earn Bitcoin. You could cash this out. You can put it back into Bitcoin and let it grow that way. Or you can cash it out all the way back into your bank account. So it's your boy YON WORLD. I might make a video of me cashing it out, just showing y'all how to get it all the way back into Bitcoin. So it's your boy. I'm out. Peace.